means it's time for this week's Tech Talk segment. We are checking in with Lou Norman from Enormis Mobile Specialty. See what he has in store for us today.
Indeed. Good morning to you, Lou.
Good morning, Tom. Good morning, Dave. We're talking about your vehicle. And during the break, I actually had a phone call, talked with Randy in Mill Creek. Randy, thank you. Brought up a good point. Randy said, hey, Lou, as long as you're talking about fixing your vehicles, what about those things they advertise on TV that you can just, you plug it in on the bottom of your dash and it tells you how to fix your car? Do those work? Well, they do work. They tell you, give you a code, and when you plug those in, there's a possibility of like 1,400 different codes that could possibly come up. And I got a story for you. I love these stories. Had somebody come in, had a trouble code. It was P0087, I think. That means fuel system pressure or fuel rail system, fuel system pressure too low. So what does that mean? So, well, this particular client decided, well, let's get my sister-in-law's cousin's nephew, let's see if he can fix this for me. So what'd they do? They spent the money and they bought a fuel pump. Didn't fix the problem. Still getting that P0087 code. So for some reason they decided, let's change the fuse box. So they changed the fuse box in the vehicle. Again, more money, more time. Didn't fix the problem. Brought it to us. We checked. Yes, it was code P0087. But that could mean a whole variety of things. Maybe it's a fuel filter. Could be a fuel pump. Maybe it is a computer module for the fuel pump. Maybe it's a fuel pump sensor. So we ended up fixing it. It was a fuel pump sensor. Sent them on their way. And obviously the fuel pump sensor cost way less money than a fuel pump. Story you think would be done at that point, but the story's not done. 6 months later, he's having a problem. Guess what? P0087, fuel pressure system, whatever, is too low. Comes back all mad. You guys never fixed my vehicle. I'm getting that code again and I paid you good money. Well, guess what the problem was? When they put that fuel pump in, it was a low-quality fuel pump. It was not a brand-name fuel pump. They saved money, got an aftermarket fuel pump. The fuel pump is now bad. So we put a high-quality fuel pump in. Now his problem is fixed. So sometimes I can understand people want to save money, but sometimes in the long run, it's better taking it to that professional and have them fix the vehicle. It's done right the first time. It's going to save you money in the long run. So with ways to save money and get your car fixed, I'm Lou at Enormis in Harborcreek, and for information on what we do, go to our website, www.enormis.net, and you can see all the stuff that we do. So Dave and Tom, back to you guys.
That's some great information.
Indeed. Thank you very much, Lou.
Thanks, Lou.